Hi guys, in the previous video you learned how we can create a simple bash script and run it. In this video you are going to see how we can retrieve input from the user. Okay, so we are going to use the previous bash script which we created called my underscore script. Let me go ahead and open that using the Vim editor. We can say Vim and then file name my underscore script.sh. Okay, currently I am echoing hello world. So I need to go to the insert mode. Currently we are in the command mode. Press I in the keyboard to go to insert mode. Then you have ability to edit this. I am going to delete this one. Then say please enter your name. Okay. After that we are going to say read name. This read keyword allows us to read the user input. So that input will be saved in this variable called name. You can use whatever you want, but you have to follow variable rules. Okay. So the next step is I'm going to say hello and I will pass the name by saying comma. To access a variable, we have to use dollar symbol and then name. Okay. Now, when you are using double quotes, it's have ability to identify these special meta characters. That means this dollar is used to access a variable value, and there are other special meta characters. For example, pound symbol, and the pound symbol is used to represent comments in shell script. Okay, and we have the semicolon meta character, and it is used to separate multiple commands on a single command line. Also, we have asterisk and correction mark, and you will learn about those in future videos. Just now we are accessing a variable, so we will say dollar. When you are using double quotes, you can use special meta characters inside that. But if you say single quotes, the literal string will be printed. That means hello, comma, space, dollar name. That's the thing. So, okay, now we can save this. Firstly, we have to press escape or exit button in the keyboard, then type colon WQ exclamation symbol. And make sure you have included this shebang directive. I will include that in the video description. So include that in your shell script. Now press enter, it will be saved. Now I am going to run that. We can say bash my underscore script dot sh. Otherwise we can say // my underscore script dot sh. Now it is saying please enter your name. I can say Ashane. Now press enter. I got hello Ashane printed there. Okay, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.